What does a seasoned gearhead do when he loses his appetite for striped Camaros and fiberglass Ford 3 windows? He snatches up a choice rarity like this national award-winning Lincoln Continental. Massive yet chic, this drop top has a presence that stretches far beyond its large proportions. That paint highlights a level of fit and finish that's well above average. Trim is traditionally elegant, with no deviation from tasteful factory digs. And the car's power-operated top has been recently serviced and functions well. Inside, you'll find a stately interior that's the perfect place to view the sights and sounds of Main Street America. Wide bench seats feature laminated cushions that benefit from layered resilience. A two-tone dash incorporates a push-button radio and classy factory gauges. And a turquoise steering wheel spins a chrome horn ring around a satin centerpiece. Tilt the hood and you'll find a correct 430 cubic inch bulldozer V8 that, according to the service records included with the sale, has been professionally rebuilt. Backing that engine is a turbodrive 3-speed that spins a Ford 9-inch. Celebrated on the highest levels, this award-winning Lincoln is the perfect addition to your collection. From its polished grille to its massive rear bumper, the car is a largely original showstopper. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.